So today we're going to talk about consuming inventory directly to work orders. So as soon as I pop into the manufacturing ops tile, it's going to bring me to the time entry card. But if I go down two other notches, we're going to see work orders by job, where I can see all the different work orders that are assigned to me. So I know that I'm going to start working on work order 1293. So I'm just going to enter into that, and it's going to pop up all the order information on this specific unit that I'm going to build. So we can see that it's a flare stack unit. The drawings are attached. We've got the start date, end date, and all the other pertinent information I need to review before starting the job. So when I click on the details tab, that is going to bring me to the routes or the directions on each step of the manufacturing process. So route one is typically engineering and drawing. So all the different information for the engineering documents and all the labor that's attached to this step in the workflow is on there. Considering I don't have to put any Maya labor on the engineering and drawing, I'm going to skip over to route two where I start the job. So I'm going to be working on the skid today. And to consume inventory, I scroll down to the master list of labor and consumables. And anywhere you see the shopping cart, I can consume inventory. So I see that the required amount is 8 on this job, and I've only used one of them. So if I come in, click the shopping cart, I can assign anything that I consume directly from this screen here and post it right back into the work order. So I'm going to consume 3 because that's what I just installed. And then once that loads, it gives you real time insight into job costing. Everybody in the organization is aware of what exactly is happening on every work order. And this can all be entered through tablets, mobile phones, wherever you're working. You have easy access to put it into the system. And it truly is that easy to get real time information. If you have any other questions on this process of consuming inventory directly to work orders, please feel to reach out anytime.